Hello, I'm going to demonstrate how to create your root folder and then your image folder to start your website or your web page. And then I'm going to show you how to zip it so that you may submit it using Blackboard. On my desktop, I'm simply going to right-click and click New and then Folder. Okay. Based on the lab instructions, I'm going to name the folder last name, of course your last name, and then HTML lab 2. Okay? And then inside this folder, I'm going to add another folder, and I can either do File, New Folder, or I can simply right-click. Now this file is going to be called Images. Okay? Now essentially, what I've done is I've created my root folder. Okay? This is my root folder, and inside my root folder I have my images folder. So I'm going to place my index page, which is my web page. And the reason why we use index is that for most websites, the home page is actually the index page, index.html. And inside my images page, I'm going to add my 2 images. So now I have inside my root folder, I have my index page and my 2 images. Okay. Now I'm ready to zip my assignment so I can submit. Okay. Now, fortunately, Windows Vista already has some built-in compression software included. So I'm just going to right-click, Send to, and then Compressed Folder. And then what Windows Vista will do, it will automatically place in the same location my zip file. Notice how this folder does not have the zipper and this one does. This is a zip folder. Okay, and the reason why we zip it is because Blackboard does not allow you to submit a folder, just as you cannot email a folder. However, you can email or you can submit a zip folder. Now, something I will caution all of you is that for some reason, you may not be able to submit a zip folder in Blackboard if you're using Mozilla Firefox or Google Chrome. So I encourage you to use Internet Explorer to complete this part of the assignment. So to submit your zip folder in Blackboard, you want to be using Internet Explorer. And now I just log into Blackboard and I submit this zip folder. Another thing that I want to caution you on is that if I were to open up my zip folder, okay, I can see my root folder, and then inside my root folder I see my web page and my index. If I were to open up my index page, the images would not show up. And the reason for this is that the links to the images really become disabled inside the zip folder. So if I wanted to test this, I would want to open this up, grab my folder, and then basically uncompress it or extract it to the desktop. Okay, I just got a warning to, since I've already got a file with the same name, do I want to replace it? Okay. All right, again, that is how you zip the folder. If you do not have Windows Vista, you may need to install a compression file program, and there are several free ones on the web. Those of you may want to look for free versions of WinZip, or you may want to try WinRAR, WinRAR, and there are other versions as well if you just take the time to search. I hope this was helpful. Thank you.